Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm so glad that you stopped by for a visit today because I have two delicious recipes to share with you using cottage cheese. So cottage cheese recipes are just blowing up. They're everywhere. And I already have a couple recipes on my channel using cottage cheese, but when I saw these two recipes, I just could not resist. I had to give them a try. And let me just tell you, they are delicious. These cottage cheese bagels are phenomenal. They taste just like a regular bagel. They are so good, so easy. And then the pizza bowl. Yeah, if you are watching your carbs, then you're gonna wanna give this one a try. It is just so yummy. And I think I've said enough. Now it's that time to show you just how to make these and time to get cooking. So let me show you just how easy these bagels are to make. You will need a cup of cottage cheese and a cup of self-rising flour. Now I'm going to add the cottage cheese to a food processor just to make it smooth and creamy. All right, so now I'm going to take the cottage cheese and put it into a large mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add the self-rising flour. And you will just want to mix until a dough forms. So once you get a nice dough formed, then sprinkle some flour down onto your counter and just dump that dough onto your flour. All right. Then just knead, just gently, just until you get a smooth dough. All right, then cut your dough into fourths. Then all you gotta do is just flatten it to the shape of a circle and poke a hole in the center with your fingers. And just make the shape of a bagel. Make sure that your hole is nice and bigger than what you would think you would need. Then place onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. So after you get all your bagels formed, take one egg with a little bit of water and give it a whisk. And then just brush the egg over top of the bagels. And I'm going to sprinkle a little everything bagel seasoning over a couple of them. And then I'm going to leave a couple plain. And then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So now let me show you how to make the delicious pizza bowl. So place some cottage cheese in the bottom of a bowl, and this is right around 1/2 cup. Now you can put this in the food processor also if you want it to be smooth, but I don't mind the small curds. And then top with a little bit of pizza sauce. spreading it out over that cottage cheese. Then I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I'm also going to add a little bit of shredded parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to take some pepperoni and cut them into fourths just because it's easier. They're more bite size than a whole slice of pepperoni. You want sausage, you could put sausage, olives, peppers, onions, you name it. And then you can bake it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's all melted, ooey gooey, cheesy, pizza yumminess. Or if you want to cook it quicker, pop it in the microwave. These bagels, they are so delicious. And this pizza bowl, let me just say, now if you're watching your carbs, you can just eat it by the spoonful. Or you can eat it on a bagel. The pizza bowl really would make a great dip, a pizza dip. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.